Well, the back tire's finished. Got the bike all put back together, and I'll show it to you right here. There's the new tire, and you can still see the sticker on it, and we'll see just how it works. And I didn't put the front tire on, but that'll be later. And just wanted to show you my, I don't know if I got a good video of my motorcycle, but that's a Yamaha V-Star 1100. And I've got about 29,000 miles on it. It's a 2003. And I've done a few mods to it. Got the hypercharger, as you can see. Rejetted the carbs. Took my plasma cutter and I took the baffles out. And I'll show you right here. You can see it's all the way through. Just like that. No restriction hardly. And it seems to run pretty good. Now I'll fire it up. Let the fuel pressure build. And that's it. Ready to go. Ready to put more miles on it now. You can see the hypercharger working. Well, that's it. Tire on, ready to go riding. And maybe it won't rain today. Looks kind of cloudy back there, but hopefully it won't rain. And it is hot. Feels like it's about, the thermostat says it's right at 100 degrees. So it's hot. And no air, no wind blowing. Definitely hot. But I'm fixing to get on that motorcycle and cool off. So until then, see ya.